Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you a stitch called cross stitch. In this sample pattern, as you can see, I have repeated two rows. One row is of basic double crochet stitches, followed by next row where I have worked the cross stitch. It seems to be like a V stitch, but it's not exactly the V stitch. Once I start with this pattern, you will come to know how this stitch is done. It's very easy stitch, but one thing that needs to be kept in mind is that while working the stitches is the number of stitches should be always even in number. Then you can work this out without making any mistakes. Moreover, the stitches can be used for making baby yokes. When you are going to make a frock for a little baby, in that case the yoke can be done using these stitches. It will look lovely, and you can also work out cardigans or baby pants, anything of that sort using these stitches. It's a very simple stitch. Let's see how it is done. Already done about 10 double crochets. Since it should be even in number, so I have done the sample with 10 double crochets. For the second row, I'll be using this stitch. I need to chain 2 and turn my work. I'm working one more double crochet into my next stitch. Now I'll be working my cross stitch pattern. Just watch out carefully. Now I'll be skipping the next stitch and working a double crochet into the next stitch. So once this is done, again I'll yarn over and I'm going to work a double crochet into the stitch that I had skipped earlier. So in this way you are crossing over the double crochet that you had done with the double crochet which I had done just now. Again, I need to skip the next stitch and work a double crochet into the next. Now I'll be working a double crochet into the stitch which I skipped earlier. So in this way you will be continuing with the sequence till the end of the row. So I have come to the end. I am left with 2 stitches. I will be working normal double crochets on top of both. Again for third row, I am chaining 2 and turning my work. Now this is the front part of your stitch pattern. Here you can see the stitches are clearly visible. Now for the third row, I'll be following the same pattern as the first row. That is, I'll be making normal double crochets on top of each of these stitches till the end of the row. Come to the end of the third row. So as I said before, this stitch pattern is a repeat sequence of 2 rows. One is of double crochets followed by 1 row of cross stitch patterns. So I think this stitch is very clear to you. In case if you have any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.